Welcome back to our code along series where we code a fuel trailer script that should be working standalone as well as on the Qt Core framework. Okay, right, first things first, thank you so much for everyone's support on my videos. I truly do appreciate it, and thank you for 100 subs. That means so much to me. Right, even though it's a small number, it doesn't matter, it's important to me. So current objectives as it stands is station to trailer refueling, possibly billing alongside it, and just logic comprehension in general. Okay. Right, in our client main, what did we work on last? I cannot recall, so maybe I search for trailer fuel, maybe? No. Refuel trailer. Aha. Trailer fuel. I remember we had this setup where we had the trailer info. So let's do that. Trailer info dot fuel level. Get trailer fuel. Get trailer fuel. Trailer fuel. Trailer fuel. No. What we want is trailer info dot fuel level. Right. Get trailer fuel, set trailer fuel. Let's go to our... Why do I not have a get trailer fuel? Hello? Okay, get trailer fuel. Let us work on that because I did recall, or do recall, that... Why do we not have this event? That's crazy. Well, it should be a callback, obviously. Check if plate exists. Set trailer fuel. And we never did the get trailer fuel. Okay. Get trailer fuel. What do we need? We need the plate. That's all we need. Right? We just need the plate. And with the plate, we get trailer info. What does this do? We select all from fuel trailers where the plate is equal to summing. Now let us also open the SQL here and see what we are working with. We receive then the plate, the model, the fuel level, and the max level. Model, fuel level, max level, and the plate. But we have the plate already. Okay. Right. Maybe what we do is found and local, let's call it trailer data would be a null table, and then maybe we do trailer data is equal to the following. Let's duplicate this. Let me just duplicate that. We would not need the plate nor the trailer's name. I mean, I guess we could. Plate, model, I guess TRL is already the model. So this would be what, row dot model, right? Fuel level would be row dot fuel level. Fuel type. You see, we need a few things here. We need another one, not for model, but for fuel underscore type. Okay. So then this should then be row dot fuel underscore type. We don't care about refill, we don't care about new type unless we set the data. Position, we don't care. And we also care about the max fuel level. Yes. So let me just copy that. Maybe do fuel max. Or fuel capacity. I like that more. So let's save that out. And fuel level plate. Let's add one under fuel level. Let's do fuel capacity. Is also 0.0 to start off with. Okay. I guess we'll just always return the model. I don't know. Might as well, right? So we can delete that because we set the trailer data to these values. Trailer data is a table. So then we just return our table. Right? And that makes it so that we can have a -1, which is only one check, not a list of them. Oh yeah, and we don't need that anymore. Right, because we only have trailer data, which is a little table, takes in all the necessary details. That should be that. Right? And let me just copy that for reference, so that when we go to our trailer main, get trailer fuel. Maybe instead of that, we get trailer info. Right? So level, no, this would be trailer info. I guess we'll kind of duplicate that. Ooh. Yeah, maybe instead of info, we just do dot or trailer data. As data dot fuel underscore. Oh yeah, fuel level. I did say I need to copy that for reference, which I did not. So let's just have that. Okay, if trailer data fuel level is less than 1, we exit. Yeah. I will always have the trailer's info at hand. Let me just make sure. Let's do the 2 max. Actually, it doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Target vehicle fuel amount. This would be trailer data dot fuel level, right? Because the difference between the level and 100, actually, over here we would have trailer data dot fuel capacity. So the difference between the capacity and the current level would be the amount that we have to refill if we set tomax to true. Alright, so that's just something you can check over here before we do any intricate things. And then in setting the nozzle to the vehicle, this is where we'll have some interesting things doing. Just as a quick note, the only reason I did this instead of leaving it at an else is because if target ends up being null and not sending in a string, it'll think it has to refuel a trailer. But we'll only refuel a trailer if it has explicit command to refuel the trailer, right? We are working on refuel trailer at the moment. So let's work on that. Okay. Okay. Let's see, where do we call it? We call it here. Maybe we send it the trailer data. Right? Whenever we call input prompt, we get the trailer data, and we'll send it whenever we set the nozzle to the vehicle. Right? We'll just send the trailer data because it will be helpful for two reasons, right? Whenever we are refueling a target vehicle, trailer data, hello, this is trailer data. So maybe what we'll do is do local, over here, local, we just call it local data is equal to trailer data. I'll copy that and just paste it in there. Why? Ah, because the function doesn't expect input. Just fine, we'll fix that. We'll just tell it, hey, I want data, bruh. I want data. Okay. Right. So let's go through this. Refuel speed still remains the same. The multipliers and stuff, exactly the same. we do want to do is the following. Done means we are done refueling. Okay. Tick is a counter for the amount of fuel we should add to, let's call it target, which would be our trailer in this instance. So trailer info dot fuel level. This would, however, be data dot fuel level. Right. And the coordinates would be data dot coords. Let's be fancy. Data dot location. This is the coordinates of the target vehicle. And then before we continue, let's retrace our steps real quick. I dig it. Over here. Right. Whenever we do input prompt, we automatically get the closest trailer's position, right? So in trailer data, obviously we only write it here, but what I do want to do is trailer data dot location is equal to that right there. Right. My computer's having a massive lag spike. Anywho, yeah, we'll have to do it that way around. Okay. And then we will go to refuel trailer. So we have data.location. That'll be the coordinates of our trailer, which is our target vehicle. The current level would actually be data.fuel level. Right. Bits and multipliers, exactly the same. We'll create a thread to refuel. Now, while we are refueling on every interval, instead of set fuel target vehicle, we will instead have our callback to set trailer fuel. Right, so we will have local, maybe call it set is equal to lib dot callback dot await. And I'll have that false. And what do we send it? We send it a plate, and the fuel level we have to set it to. So data dot plate, which I don't think we have. So maybe we'll set it now. Don't stress about it. Let's put a pin in it. So we send it the plate, and we send it what else? Brain fart. Hello. Fuel level, the new level, which would be current level +1. Right, because current level is the current level. And then we do current level +1 if current level is equal to data dot fuel capacity. Then done. And we will have the same callback. However, we'll set it to data dot fuel capacity. So we'll just set it to the max. right? And if cancel, 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 control this and this, and this and that, and this and that. Okay, so we can delete that now. Local set, local set. Okay, before I forget, let's go set the plate data here real quick. And that'll be over here, over here, over here. Right. So trailer load, trailer data location. We also have a plate. It'll just be trailer info plate. So the plates would equal the plate. And I think that should do it. That should do it. Go to refuel trailer. Here we go. Alright, let me just look at what this does. It returns a true or a false. Okay. If not set, then I guess for now, let me just do this error. And okay, so because it's in await, it'll wait for a return. So we can do, in fact, is a return out of it, right? So we are waiting for it to receive. Let me explain it properly, because I'm confusing myself. Right. So whenever we call this function or this event, we will wait until we receive data back and basically set. Once that has happened, this will run. So if this could not execute, we'll just say there's been some sort of error. Right? So maybe we notify the client that trailer could not be refueled. And that'll be an error message. Copy that, just have a return here. Notify, there we go. Okay, so maybe set to max, I guess, just have it a bit different than the one before. And that should be that for the trailer, am I right? So from station to trailer fueling. I guess what we could do as well is the following. In our client, where we call refuel trailer, in fact, even before we set, we will have to do some checks. Right. Over here, if build, then, and actually let's turn it into if not build, then return end. Right, so it'll be local build, and this should be another callback. Callback dot await. It'll be summing, no delay, and we will send it the source. So that in here we could do what? Get trailer info, create trailer, check if trailer exists, check if plate exists. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my robbery script. DH QBEXS. What did I want to do actually? Server, yeah. Main money. Bank. No. Actually, I could just do that here. Right, remove money. Let's just copy this entire function. Okay, and then in the functions, right at the bottom, and let's rewrite it a tad. Okay, we'll take source and amount. Fantastic, source amount. And actually, let's cut again. I'm going to callbacks. I like callbacks. Maybe I overuse them. I don't care. It's my script, man. There we go. Right. Bull player is what we'll call it. Taking the source and amount. And do that and that. Local price is equal to config dot price. Price what? Yeah, just do price. And then let's quickly head to the config before I do forget. Stations. Spawn true locations. Maybe we add fuel price is equal to, let's do 5.0. And this would be price per liter. Okay, and then in the server, this would be stations dot fuel price. Okie dokie. Let us grab all of this and cut it once, paste it in. Right, I've already worked on this, so I'm not gonna recode everything. I don't have my get player stuff function though. Right now, only want none and QB course, so I'm gonna comment all of that out. And then in framework, money type. Yeah, keep it money type. That's crazy. C dot money type amount, and this would be fuel purchase. You know, I'm gonna overcomplicate this a bit and do this. Ooh. I want a different price for every fuel type. Okay, let's not worry about that. Let's just get the logic done real quick so that it's working, and then we can fine tune it later. So what I do need to do is get the player data. Player is equal to probably QB core dot player. Ugh, I don't know. Get player and feed it source maybe. Let's see. I want to do this. The tutorial script. Server player data, please. Player functions get player. There you go. I would swear, like, if you've used this for a few times, then surely I should be able to remember it, right? But I don't. Crazy scenes. Okay. So if enable debug, we just say money build. If not remove money, then we return false. If we have no framework set, then we just return 0, return true. Actually, should make that false. Also see an error in my previous script, which is good to know. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine, right? Oh yeah, I wanted to check framework real quick. Framework, QB or none. Yeah, perfectly fine. Okay, this will return a true or false. And now where did I do my thing now? Over here. Set trailer fuel. My bad. So in set nozzle to vehicle. No. Here. I recall now. Okay. If it is station, if the reason is station, once we do all of these things, we need to do a check. But I had the build information in the wrong spot. So before we actually refuel, local build is callback build player. Send it the source and the amount. What amount? In our case, probably C dot stations dot fuel price. In the server, we just take that out because we have amount that we take in, and we can handle the logic client side. That's fine. Or alternatively, we'll just send it the fuel type that we are purchasing, and that's something I'll do in the future. Okay, so if we haven't built, we just return and we can't refuel. So maybe we also tell the person, yo, bro, you don't have enough cash. So not enough cash. And let me do that. Right. Maybe we do local payment. Started off at 0. The new type may refuel. If you are refueling to max. Here we go. Payment, right, is equal to that times C dot stations dot fuel price we could actually just do that once, right? Don't have to do that twice. So once we have that, then we just send it the payment that is due. Okay. And then if we haven't been billed, etc, etc. If we have been billed, then we do some things. I do see some error in the logic. Because you'll pay for the fuel. But what if you cancel early, right? So what we theoretically should be doing is have something like check if has enough money. Then trigger fueling and bill as we refill. So this let's do that, leave that. Payment should get yeeted. And whenever we set the vehicle, the nozzle I mean, and refuel trailer for example, and we'll obviously have to duplicate the logic for refueling another target vehicle. But over here, right, once we set the trailer's fuel, like this, local payment would be summing, and we'll do that thing. So we'll do that in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching, I truly do appreciate it. If you require any support, FiveM scripting related, or specifically related to these scripts, then you're welcome to find me in the imagiNix Studios Discord, which is linked below. And I think that's it for the information. Thank you so much for your support, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.